Hey everybody, it's 123 Mr. B here. We are doing some breaking math division. We are looking at subtracting division statements with different divisors. So I am not an English teacher. I probably spelled something wrong here. Don't worry about it. Anyway, here's the case. I've got one division statement here, subtracting another division statement here. They have different divisors. Or before, as I said, the action here is not the same. So we have to do something to make that action the same before we can even start doing our question. So how we do that, step A, is we make skip count lists of the numbers, and just like that, just like so, as Mr. Jessup would say. Okay, like who's that? Okay, anyway, what we do is we find the smallest number that is on both lists. Now we see again that 20 would be on both lists, but it's true, it's a common divisor, but this is the lowest common divisor, LCD. We could call that 10 and make our declaration there. Your teacher will want to see this. Okay, so B, the next thing is, this is our thought cloud here. The next thing for us to do is to say, now we have to rephrase these division statements. Here, 27 divided by 5, we know must be rephrased to be something out of 10. Now here, I'm doubling 5 to get 10, so I'm going to have to double 27 to get 54. And the other one, 13 divided by 10, well, I need to make it out of 10, and it's already out of 10, so I don't need to do anything to it at all. So that's kind of a freebie. Nothing wrong with that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is use this statement instead of this one, and this one I won't have to change. So I'm going to bring this down here. The new version will be, that one will be changed. So I'll have 54 divided by 10, and then everything else is the same. Minus sign, minus sign. 13 divided by 10. And I'm going to put it together, and I'm going to see that that's 41 divided by 10. Okay. So we got that part done. Pretty piece of cake. All I really had to do was know how to do that. But now we're going to finish solving that. So I'm just going to I'll just do it right here. I'm going to move over here just because there's more space, okay? 41 divided by 10, skip count by 10. I know that 40 divided by 10 is going to give me 4, because 4 times 10 gives me 40. And I only have one more adjustment. 40 plus 1 gives me 41. I know my action is going to be the same now. There we go. And 1 divided by 10 is too small. It's less than 1, so I'm just going to say 1 divided by 10 right there. Plus sign, plus sign. I'm going to add them up. 4 and 1 divided by 10. So 41 divided by 10 is 4, and 1 divided by 10 right here. Okay? So that's how we do this. Again, what we do is we assess, and then we build our skip count number families off of these two things. So that's part A here. Then we declare what is the lowest common divisor possible. That's the first crossover. And then we rephrase these things. We had to rephrase this one to this. This one, in this particular case, we did not need to do anything because it was already out of 10. And then so with our rephrased thing, we simply do the math like we had always done before. And then once we have this, we can go to our breakdown division strategy just like we had done before. Okay? Hope that helps, and let's check out the practice vids.